Here I'm just marking where I'm going to place my lace with the glue. I feel like this is better, so this is what I do beforehand.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
Trapping like I'm Trappy Jam.
Okay, so in between me curling my hair, I was curling it a certain way. Obviously, y'all can see that.
and then I just started curling a different way. So I'ma just go back and curl this side the same way I curled this side, and then I be back. Okay, just wrapping it around. That's it.
Chopping like I'm Trappy Chan.
Hey you guys. Obviously you already know I got a new hairstyle. That means some new heat coming to the channel. Okay, so today I have a wig review. This wig I just got, but before I get into the video, I'm just going to give y'all the details of his hair, and then you can see how you want to fix it up and blah 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 afterward. Now, if you're new to the channel, I hope you like me enough and what I do to go ahead and subscribe to the girl's channel. Don't miss nothing. Make sure you put your post notifications on, because everybody's telling me that they're not receiving my videos or my notifications. I don't understand what that is about. So just undo it and do it again if it's not working for you. This is UNICE. I don't know why it says Bet You series. I guess it's from Bet You series, but that's not what they told me, so I don't know, you guys. I just know the link will be in the description. This is a 20-inch Brazilian straight, but I just threw some curls in it, and the texture, y'all, I don't even know if y'all can see it, but this hair is coming through. It's soft. It's really soft. Like, even when I was washing it, because I washed it before I put it in, it was soft. It was really soft, and I'm like, hold up now. I like this one. I like this one. But in the box came with some little lashes, which Y'all already know how China rocking. They give you the little lashes. I don't feel like I need to show y'all because I don't even know where it's at. So, and then it comes with this card. I guess the card is showing you how to wear the wig. But that's why I'm here. So I don't know. But anyway, yeah, came with this card, lashes, and it came with, I don't use wig caps, so there's that. This is a frontal, and I think they're catching the drift, y'all. I think they listening to me or other people, you know. But when I first got the other wig, the part was like on the side was right here, like just right here, just little, boop. But this part is pretty long. This is a straight Brazilian free part, lace front, and I already like how it's coming. It's 150 density. The cap size says it's 21.5 through 22 inches for the cap size. The cap was kind of big per usual because I have a little head, so this is big head friendly. I just used the clips in the back with the little things. I just tied them, but everything will be in the description per usual. And make sure you give me a big thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching my video. I love you, and talk to you later. Bye. Bye.
She the dark skin chick, pretty light skin crew. Why you letting them think for you? When you were grown ass woman, baby, you were